today we are going to complete this illustration digitally on my iPad. We have selected few colors in Ohuhu Markers and I'm going to use that to color it digitally and then complete it in my sketchbook. Copying the line art on a new layer, selecting mask. On the mask layer, pasting this and then filling the layer attached to the mask with black. After this, I'm going to invert the illustration on the mask layer and merge both of these. I have the line art without the background now, so I've extracted the line art. This was my sketchbook scan, that's why I did not want to redo the line art. I was really happy with how it was looking. Using the Eagle Hawk brush on the layer below the line art layer, using this color palette which I just made using the Ohuhu Markers reference, I'm going to start coloring the illustration. I can obviously color on the leaves as well because I can then later color the leaves with green on a new layer above this one. For those who are new here, I'm using an Eagle Hawk brush with color dynamics jitter increased to a little percentage, because of which I can get these different hues of the same color. It also has a little bit of paper-like texture, because of which it gives like a very textured and very watercolor vibe. Changing the blend mode of this layer to soft light and using black, adding shadows and shadings. I thought of redoing this, and instead of the cafe name, I'm going to color the wall on which this is. Now I'm also going to change the blend mode to multiply and using black add the shadow, because if I were to use soft light to add shadow on the white, it wouldn't really show up. It doesn't work on white. So I changed the blend mode to multiply and using black adding the shadow. These are the colors. I have picked up the codes of the colors to color this illustration with almost similar colors digitally. Let's watch them out. And I'm trying to kind of make the doors color, layering two colors. The lipstick natural, and I think this is a little more red than brown. Since there are no layers over here, I'll have to be very careful that I don't color the leaves. I don't have the habit of coloring traditionally much, but I'm enjoying the process and adding a little more detail with the microns. To add shadows with markers, with alcohol markers especially, I think I can layer the same color on top of it once it dries to get a deeper shadow effect. I hope I like it when I add the layer on this, because in the swatch it was like a smaller portion, so it kind of looked okay. I am not really aiming to get exact same color, but I'm really happy with how a little bit of pinkish reddish tone in it is giving the contrast to the rest of the illustration. I used a Pinterest photo reference of some cafe to illustrate this urban illustration. And now I'm going again with another layer of the same color to add shadows. After adding shadows, I'm really loving this. This one is the sketchbook spread. I'll pop a close-up of the digital one on screen. Which one do you prefer? Also do let me know if you'd want to watch more such videos, and I'll see you in the next one. You can watch this video next, and if you want to learn digital art and illustrations in Procreate in detail, do check out the link in description and join the next batch or the waitlist depending on when you're watching this video.